You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word in English once and for all correctly. If you want to learn more medical terms, make sure to stay tuned. We've got tons of them coming up at the end of the video. British English pronunciation, epigenetic. Epigenetic. Now the Americans would say it differently. American English pronunciation, epigenetic. Epigenetic or epigenetic. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.